Hello, I just wanted to catch up because I feel like I haven't spoken to you in ages, but I've been away from work for quite a few days. I've got like all my work clumped together. Excuse the mess behind. That's Hayley's calendar. It keeps falling down all the time. Lovely to see you. I wanted to show you what I've got for Mother's Day from Frankie Jack. Now, unfortunately, I've been away from home working, so I haven't been able to see Frankie Jack or Gary or my own mum today, but we're going to have Mother's Day next week because obviously I don't want to miss out on it. I want a special day, and I want a special day for my mum as well. So I wanted to show you what Frankie Jack's got me, and just have a quick chat, really. Keep up to date with all the gossip, if there is any. So first of all, don't forget to subscribe. Hello, my name's Sally Jacks. The subscribe button is right here for you to be able to hit, and I love hearing your comments. I do try and get back to as many people as I can, but of course working and trying to do this and trying to do the Instagram and trying to do the Facebook and do the Twitter and trying to be a mum and just trying to be a general somebody is sometimes quite difficult. So but Gary sent these down because my mum took Frankie Jack down to my sister's, and so he's been staying there. So I went up to meet him in Doncaster, and I took him to Yorkshire Wildlife Park yesterday. Oh, we did have a laugh. He didn't want to go first. I don't want to go, don't want to go, don't want to go, don't want to go and see the animals. And then when we were there, he was absolutely loving it, full of it, and he was walking round. And then apparently when he got back to my mum's, when I dropped him back when I was coming back to work, he was giving it all this. We've done this, we've done that, we've done the other. I was teaching him how to read a map, and went to see his favourite animals are elephants, but they don't have any there. So my favourite animals are giraffes. Went to see them. So his next favourite animals are leopards. And of course you see the meerkats. They're so funny, aren't they, when they're perched up on the rocks. Always make me giggle. It is quite pricey to get in there, but it's better if you're going for a full day. Unfortunately, we only managed about 2 or 3 hours in there, so it's not, you know, you're rushing around, but you really want to spend time because it really is a fabulous place. Just before I show you Mother's Day things, I've got to tell you this. So obviously feeling a lot better since having the iron infusion. By the way, if anybody wants to leave, I'll leave a link below. I'm trying to get this news spread as much as I can. So I've got some things in the pipeline that I can't yet discuss, but I will be able to, and I'll let you know definitely in the future. But thanks for all your support. So I'm feeling a lot better. So because of course it's been just over 5 weeks. So I'm going to have a blood test. I'm going to ring the doctors tomorrow to get a blood test in 3 weeks time, just to check what those levels are. Your optimum levels for your ferritin should be between 100 and 150. 1 in 3 women suffer with this. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I went back to body pump. I haven't been for, oh my gosh, it's got to be about 8 months. And last time I went, I came down with a chest infection. So I don't know whether I'm going to be poorly or not yet. I'm hoping that this iron is going to stop that from happening. But I went to a body pump class. Now I can't walk. I'm walking like I've pooped my pants. I can't bend down to pick anything up. If you've been watching television, they've all been taking the mickey going, "Oh, Sally, pick that up," and I can't. And my arms, the back of my arms, especially my triceps, are absolutely killing. But it can only do some good. And I was on the phone to Gary today, he's my husband, and if you follow me on the vlogs, you'll get to know all my family. And I was saying to him, and he said, "Well, you know, I found it difficult, you know, because I'm trying to do a carb-free diet. So I'm trying to go into ketosis. I'll do another vlog on this because I want to show you some of the foods that I'm eating and stuff. But this has been proven apparently to be one of the best diets that you can go on. So I can't do with just £2 here, £2 there. I know that's the sensible way to do it, but it irritates me. I want to see a chunk off the, you know, like 4 or 5 pounds in the first week or whatever. My jeans are fitting me a bit better today, so I'm really pleased about that. But I'm absolutely killing. And you know, when I'm not trying to be rude, when I go to a public toilet, I don't sit on the seats, I hover. Well, I'm struggling because my legs are hurting so much from doing the squats. Anyway, I think that's probably a little bit too much information, isn't it? That's what you're going to get from me. Always do Frankie Jack's friends their little treats as they break up, or it's a special occasion. And I would love to do something for Easter, and I had the perfect Easter thing for the kids that I was going to do. But unfortunately, I've just found that he breaks up on Friday. And unfortunately, I'm not home till then, so I can't do anything for him. So I'm really gutted about that. Yeah, because he loves taking them in and giving them to all his friends, but unfortunately I'm away. I didn't think he was breaking up till the following week. Bad mother. Need to check that term times thing a bit better. Anyway, what have you done for Mother's Day? Well, mine's been like non-existent because I've been down at work, but I know that obviously since losing my dad, Father's Day is difficult. However, I also work on it that it's the circle of life. This is the way I kind of look. So it's that Elton John song, it's the circle of life, because I never saw my mum or my dad upset on their days because they just embraced it with the kids. So maybe they held it from us, I don't know. So for me, even when I hit Father's Day, I'm going to be terribly upset, but I need to make the most of it for Frankie Jack and Gary, because of course Gary, this is you know, Frankie Jack's our only child, and you know, he wants to experience that Father's Day. I want Frankie Jack to get excited because it's a special day for his dad. So I'm kind of hoping that I'm going to be okay this year on Father's Day. I took them all out last year. And then obviously Mother's Day today is very difficult, because if you haven't got that circle of life, I am lucky enough to have a little baby boy, but I do know from the bottom of my heart that some people just can't have children, and that is just, oh, I can't even imagine how that feels. And so I know that I'm lucky, so my heart goes out to people that can't, that people that don't want them, but are still thinking about their mums, that people that you know, maybe have lost their mums and their grandmas, and you know, maybe they've got a bad relationship with their children. So there's lots of different things, isn't it? And when it's like slapped in your face all the time, it's definitely made me realise since last year that sometimes it's not the best thing. I suppose Christmas is all about that, but I mean, I walk around with a Christmas tree on my head, don't know, Christmas, because I absolutely love it. Anyway, this is what Frankie Jack got me. So he's got me this card saying, to my lovely mummy, from your son, I must be the luckiest little boy in the world and the whole wide world. And then I open it up, he says, because I've got you as my mummy. Happy Mother's Day, mummy. But look at his writing, because he's at school. I'm well chuffed with that. I'm so chuffed. But this they made at school, which I think is absolutely adorable. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? And you can hang it up. So I'm actually going to hang it up in my dressing room down here to keep with me. But then they put these felt love hearts on there. And then if I turn it round, he's put, to mummy, happy Mother's Day, love from Frankie Jack. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. Proper mummy now, getting all proud. But I'm really pleased with that. Yeah, that's what I was given yesterday, but I'm hopeful because I've just bought myself a K-mix as well. That's another story. I bought myself a K-mixer. Has anybody got one out there? Because I got it from Ideal World, but apparently they're supposed to be absolutely like the next level. They're so good. Because I want to get into making cakes as well. So I've got a couple of vlogs that I've put up with making cakes, with decorating, but I need to actually make the sponge and the buttercreams. My mum does that, or a friend of mine does that. Anyway, I'm going to sign off now because I've prattled on enough. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Let me know what you've done on your Mother's Day and what you've thought about it. Any ideas of what I should do with my mum for next weekend would be great. Love you lots. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.